Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will talk about a breaking change, right? So in the Laravel 8 they are actually just change the syntax of calling the controller from the routing file, right? In the Laravel 6 and 7 they actually use the another syntax, and for the Laravel 8 they make a new syntax. So there is certain benefit for this syntax also. I will tell you these kind of things. So now let's see what is the change, and for that we actually need to make a controller. Then we will just call it from the routing file with the previous syntax as well as in the new syntax also, right? And at the last I will ask you an interview question, right? So now let's get start. First of all, just clear out our command line, and this is our output screen, and this is our code editor where we will just write our code, right? So first of all, to show the changes, I'm just going to make a controller. Just put here PHP artisan make controller and controller name. So let's say our controller name is users, and hit the enter. Now you can see that our controller is created inside the app HTTP controllers and here, right? So we can make a function inside it. Just write here index and put here some text or whatever you want, like hello from controller, right? So to call it we have to go inside the routes and web.php, right? In the previous version of the Laravel we basically call the syntax like get function, then it have the two parameters, one for the URL, like we can put users, and second parameter for the path of our controller, right? Users @index. So basically this is not a complete path, this is basically a name of controller as well as the name of function, right? And now if you just I made a mistake, let's make it a users. So now if I'm just going to call it with the users URL, it will just give us a error like targeted class does not exist, right? So now why this is happened, because they actually change the syntax of it, and they obviously just make some changes in the get function of the routing class. So we can make a comment it of here, and first of all in the Laravel 8 we have to import the controller, right? So just simply write here app, then HTTP, then controllers, and then just simply put here our controller name like users, right? And now let's just call it with the route get function, and again they have the two parameters, one for the URL, but in the second parameter now we have to use the array, and in the array let's define a user colon class comma second parameter will be the function of our controller, right? So now let's check it out. Now you can see that this is working fine. So this is the new syntax, and if you want to try this syntax in the Laravel 7 this will not work, and the below syntax is not working in the Laravel 8. So why they made this change? Because in the till Laravel 7 we are actually bind to make the controller inside only the HTTP controllers and controllers directory. So now we can make the controller files anywhere in our complete project, right? We can put them anywhere. So for example I just want to put outside the controller function controllers directory. So now you can see that our users file is a part of HTTP directory, right? This is not a part of controllers directory, so we can still use it. How we can use it? First of all, just remove this folder, because this is not the path of now, the new path is this. And the second change is just remove the namespace of the controller, and for the third syntax we have to import the this base class of the controller, right? So just simply put here app http. Now you can just put here controller, and basically this is the controllers, and here you can just define controller, right? And the C will be in the cap case. Make a semicolon at the last, and now let's try to run it again. Now you can see that this is still working fine. So this is the basically new feature, and we can easily use our controller anywhere in our application. So that's all for this video, and now let's talk about the interview question, which is as we know that now we are able to just make the controllers outside to the controllers directory or controllers folder. So is it possible to make a subfolder of the controllers? Like I just make a one more folder sub, and I can just put my controllers here also. So is it possible or not? And if you know the answer of this question, you can ask me in the you can just make a comment and tell to the other guys also. And if you don't want to ask, just don't want to make it comment, then you just need to know this. If you know, then that's great. Otherwise you can just make it Google or ask me on my Instagram account or anywhere, right? So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, and please subscribe my channel for the Laravel videos and the Laravel project and Laravel API and all, right? So bye bye, take care.